Hi everyone, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. I've been doing some testing lately using the alarm outputs on our Viewtron surveillance DVRs and NVRs. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can wire up an external sensor like a strobe light and then remotely trigger that device using the Viewtron mobile app for iPhone or Android. So first I'll walk you through real quick how to wire it up, and then I'm going to show you on the screen how I trigger it in the app. And I set up one of our Viewtron Cube cameras to zero in on the strobe light that I have set up for testing, so you'll be able to see when I trigger the alarm output on the mobile app, that strobe light will start flashing. Here's a close-up view of the alarm input and the alarm output ports on the back of the DVR. And we're going to be using that alarm output number 1, so the ports labeled COM1 and NO1. NO stands for normally opened, and COM1 stands for basically common or ground. Normally open means the circuit's open and no power can flow through to it until the alarm is triggered, and then it's closed, allowing power to flow through the circuit and the device to be turned on. Here's how our alarm strobe light is wired to that alarm output port. Notice that the strobe light is self-powered. This is a 12-volt DC powered device with its own power supply. These alarm relay output ports on Viewtron DVRs and NVRs, they don't supply any power to the device. They're simply closing the circuit and acting as a relay to trigger its own power supply to flow through the circuit. So now here's a live view on the DVR. It's a 4-camera view, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a live view of my iPhone app in the upper left-hand corner here, and then I'm going to switch to the full screen view of the camera that's monitoring our strobe light. And then to access the alarm output controls on the app, click the icon in the lower right and then select Manual Alarm, and then tap the icon next to Alarm Output 1, and you'll see the strobe light will start flashing. That alarm output 1 just closed that alarm relay circuit, allowing power to flow through, therefore allowing the strobe light to flash. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to trigger the alarm relay output on Viewtron DVRs and NVRs using the mobile app. If you have any questions about any of this, you can email me anytime at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. If you want to learn more about our Viewtron DVRs for BNC cameras and NVRs for IP cameras, you can visit www.cctvcamerapros.com/Viewtron. Thank you for watching.